In this video, I want to show you how to add audio and how to add AI generated voices. So in the audio tab over here, right under elements, you'll see multiple different tabs. Typically, when you do a normal edit process for any type of videos that we create, the very first thing we do is we add voiceover, and then we add background music at the end, and then we mix the audio to make sure one is not overpowering the other. So you don't want the music to be louder than the person talking, for example. So I'll start here under voiceover first. Now, these are all AI generated voiceover. To this day, we use a combination of AI and sometimes human generated. There are other tools available as well that I have covered in other courses. For example, 11 Labs, if you want to use that and import that, you could go to your uploads and bring that in. So this is 11 Labs, for example. Another AI tool, in my opinion, in the world of auto-generated voices, is the best one. But Pictory does a pretty good job. But if you're not quite getting what you want, I recommend making them in 11 Labs and importing them. But inside of VoiceOver, so these are all the different voices. So I'm gonna actually show you what these sound like. I'll go ahead and basically test out a couple of them so you hear it. Then I could apply it basically to my video. So as of right now, by default, it doesn't add these. You have to manually add them. So if I was to finish this video, what's gonna happen is, it's gonna have these video clips, anything I've added, the captions, and the music background, which it has already by default. That's it. Okay, so if you wanted to preview it and listen to it, that's what you're gonna hear. But in a lot of cases, you want the narration, the voiceover, to be read out loud. That's what these AI voices do. Okay, let's go through it here. Let me start with Tom. Let's press play.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion.
So this just reads the default text so you could hear it. Let me choose a female voice, Sophia.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
And you could choose male, female up here, and you could choose the speed. So some are faster, some are slower. And these are all the different options. They also have different types of accents. So under language, you'll see they have some language available. And I could either select just exactly what I want, like English US. And that is going to be the options I see over here now.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown.
You listen to some of these, see which one you like. So let's say I like this one. I'm gonna apply Martin here. And it's gonna apply it to my actual video now. So if I go here to just a preview option, I'll show you what it's doing. Now you're gonna hear everything at the same time.
Welcome to a brief overview of large language models, specifically focusing on ChatGPT. By the end of this video, you'll have a foundational understanding of what these models are and how they work, even if you have no technical background.
Okay, so that gives you a little preview of what that specific voiceover looks like and sounds like, with the music, with the video playing, with the captions going along with the video. Now, if you're trying to do this for more professional reasons, again, remember 11 Labs is gonna give you a better result. So I recommend using that and then uploading that over here in the upload tab. And then you could add it from the upload section here. It will just be over here as an audio file that you could click and it'll apply it to the video. For the most part though, the voiceovers, if you just go through and find one that works with your script, it should not be too bad. And they keep adding new ones, as you could see. So this is getting improved all the time, as is all of AI. Then you have background music. So by default, it does find one based on your type of video. So it actually uses AI to figure out what your content is about, and it actually finds one that works. And you could hear them here if you press play. Okay, so that's kind of on the exciting side. I'll go ahead and press play here. Okay, so maybe I like this one more, but you can see there's 15,000 tracks. Sometimes even if I don't find what I'm looking for, the other platform I showed you, Envato, if you go to their music tab, for example, right over here, royalty-free music, that means you pay the subscription and you have permission to use this. This has a whole lot more, probably millions of different music tracks you could choose from. So again, if you're not finding exactly what you're looking for, which from 15,000 you should be able to find some you're looking for, that's another tool here that I wanted to mention. But if you like a different one, just apply it and it's gonna change the background music for your video. You also could just not have background music. Just press X, you don't have background music now, right? So in this case, I do like this one. I'm gonna apply it and have it. Make sure you search here, mood, purpose, genre, duration, all those are available here. For filtering, your duration shows up over here. And again, you could favorite any one of these to show up under the favorite tab. So voiceover first, when you're adding and working with your audio. If you don't want voiceover, which you don't have to have it if you don't think the AI voice is quite there yet, don't use it and just use background music. The captions and the video will tell the story anyway. And you could always go to the voiceover tab and actually record your own voiceover as well. Okay, so right now it says it's AI. If I come over here, it says AI, but it says upload voiceover. So if I use 11 laps and record it there, I could upload it. I could record it too, or I could change the voiceover from here. I'll show you in an upcoming video how to record your voiceover on this tab right here. Then once you're happy with this, I recommend you go to the volume tab, and here you could choose your background music to be lower or higher, and voiceover is at 50. Now this is called audio mixing. It's pretty simple, but you don't want the background music to overwhelm the voiceover. And if you don't have voiceover, this will be much higher. I usually recommend you don't do anything here unless it just doesn't sound quite right to you. In manual editing, we have to make these decisions about what the percentage of the volume, the percentage of the voiceover. But with this AI, it's auto mixing it, and it sounds pretty good when I played it, so I don't have to worry about it. But I did want to show you this tab. So that's all the different things you could do inside of audio, except recording your own voiceover, which I'll show you in the next video, and then we'll move on to the different tabs like text and style.